Hello, this is Gabs again and I'm back. And today we're playing All Stars with my brother again.
Hi.
Yep. We're gonna be in the same team, of course. And this is where it's got legends, WWF and non-legends. Who you been? I got the Rock.
We're both doing the same thing. Oh, I want to be my creative superstar.
Okay, my brother's just being his creative superstar. The Rockstars. The Rockstars. And let's be against Kane. Let's do this. Well, we might not be quite good at this because we haven't played this in ages. So wish us luck.
Please.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you smell
What the Rock is cooking.
and his partner,
It's me.
Guys, can you change it to this? Change it. Yeah, it's better.
100 pounds from Parris Island, South Carolina.
Nice for that.
That's better.
All Stars. And there's a film called All Stars, and it's got the guy who does Howard Henry. So yeah, but it's nothing like WWE. It's man, what the Rock is cooking. By the way, that's my guy's song. And here we go. Let's do this thing. Spinebuster. Spinebuster. Oh man, this is so hard. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It kind of tipped over. Maybe this is just that. Please do. Sorry about that. That wasn't meant to happen. Okay, we're back on. Oh, power slam, I think. Ow, oh, come on, get it. Come on, choke slam. Oh no, we lost it. My back.
Devastating backbreaker. All the paramedics got backbreaker. Unbelievable.
Sorry guys again, it keeps tipping over. One sec guys. Why you put it there? Okay, we're back on. Oh! Come on. Nice. How do you win? I'll be. be. Had his pin? Of course he didn't. Yeah, just click the wrong thing. I'm thinking about WWE 12. Oh, I got my finisher. Ah, no. I had my finisher then, guys, but then I just lost it. Oh, lovely. Guys, where's the help? Guys on the turn. Oh. Yeah, I'm trying. I want to come in. No. Oh my days. Ah, look at now, man. This is bad. This is bad. Ooh. Ah, come on. So we're not pretty good at this because we haven't played in ages. Last time, if I did this, would have been eyes. Look. Ah. Margarita, save me. Oh, lucky guys, we didn't win. We didn't win, we lost this time. Sorry. And that has been today. See you next time.